Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the cute color combination ombre pattern, premium quality soft Chinnon material saree with elegant Barbie theme inspired design, cartoon theme inspired designs in all of this collection. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in our website, so must be visit our website www.vastranand.in. You can download our application in Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. And first product, you receive the peach color combination in base, and upper body you receive the sky blue color combination with a Swarovski designs with elegant cutwork patterns in entire the border part. Here you can see the fill foil and softness of this premium quality soft Chinnon material with elegant the cartoon theme inspired designs in all of these panel part. The saree you received at just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Here you can see the glitter effect in all of this border part with cutwork patterns in a Swarovski fusions and elegant the sunflower designs in upper part of this negative pattern. This entire collection you received at just rupees 1050. Here you can see the softness of this material with digitally format. The saree you received at just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Kashmir to Kanyakumari you received free shipping. Cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the sunflower pattern, light ash grey color combination, the blouse piece and entire the blouse piece body. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page in Vastranand. And we have daily launching 4 to 5 different catalogs in different category and luxurious material as usual. And we are providing video call facility also, so must be book your slot one day before via our customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to 6. And we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in via customer care executive number. I will repeat our customer care executive number 8154000063, and we are providing guaranteed 24 to 48 hours dispatch after your order. Here you can see the second color option with a full pink color combination and Disney theme inspired designs entire the body. Upper parts you receive the very beautifully crafted the cute sparrow designs, and below bottom you receive the little mouse as well as 2 cute woman ladies and entire panel parts with a Swarovski pattern as well as in cutwork fusions. The saree you received at just rupees 1050 free shipping all over India. Cash on delivery also available with additional cost with running pink color combination plain blouse piece. This saree is easy to dry clean, easy to machine wash, and easy to carry in each and every occasion as well as party and kitty function. Here you can see the last but not the least, light rusty peach color combination, elegant the princess designs with a green color combination, the farm designs in a negative effect, as well as upper parts you receive the Sibori batik fusions and princess lady designs in all of this panel part. The saree you received at just 1050 free shipping all over India. Same running designs in all of this material with the same darker tone combination in entire blouse piece. Vastram Mari Anandam Meri. Bye now at Vastranand.